Easy, I go. 뭔가 예감 좋아 번뜩 악상이 떠올라 금토일 또 월요일 같이 사는 내게 상 줄 거야 Alright all 해도 스케줄 꽉 차고 길 가면 다 알아보고 fresh 찰 건
Olivia, you ready? You're so cute, I swear. Hold on, let me clean the area. He said, Mama, hurry. Hurry, hurry. Okay, okay. Hold on, baby, hold on. He's so ready. Already approved? Yeah? Here. Let's move this a little closer. Come on, baby. Come here. You ready? You ready? Ooh. All right. So, smell. You love it. Oh, I love it when you eat. Nice stuff. So you got your chicken strips, sir. It's been baked, no seasoning, crusted with some crackers. And then you have your mashed potatoes with a little bit of half and half and a tiny bit of butter. Is it to your taste, sir? Oh my God. Every little crumb. There you go, baby. He's getting every little speck. Oh, it's so yummy. Yummy, yummy. Crumbs, baby. Uh-oh. 아이고 잘 먹네. He said no more potatoes. More meat. More meat. Want more meat, baby? Huh? Hi, my sister. He's like, I'm done. I'm done. Hi. Oh, you give everyone the kisses. Oh, the kisses. How was the food, baby? Oh, it was delicious. Time for your nap. See you next time.
Yes! 언제까지 머릿속만 시끄러울래 예술의 조회가 있다면 Let's do something From now on 모든 것을 백지로 되돌려놓고 생각 말고 저질러 붓은 너 가지고 있어